Alright, so we're at the Samsung event, the Galaxy Fold. It's kind of a crazy thing, but we're about to find out what everybody else thinks. Alright, so give me your thoughts on the Fold.
Folding phone. So I've been trying to fold phones for a while now, but I think the design of this one is actually pretty smart with the metal hinge inside that hopefully doesn't allow it to bend in the opposite direction. But there's only one way to find out for sure, and I'll be doing that.
I don't think the fold's that bad.
Alright, I'm gonna pull like a bust in and be like, we got the trifecta of people here.
I was excited. I was excited. It looked really good. The screen in the front, not crazy about. Honestly, forget all that. $2,000.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Same, I agree with Jonah there. Like, I like the Fold, but that price tag. But I like the features, but it's hard to justify it when you can get a tablet and a phone pretty much for the same price.
I was all about it, and then they were like
$2,000. It was like, nah.
That Fold is what's up.
The Fold.
They dropped it. The price doesn't matter. It's a beta product, but they're getting it out there. It's a new category, and they're first to market.
Generation 1.1. We had that 1.0 at CES. This is 1.1.
I didn't see that it was like bowed in any way, right?
I mean, in any of their official presentation. I gotta see it in person.
Exactly. I don't know how they're doing that.
Yeah,
but
we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Folding phone. Looked a lot better than I thought it would. Was getting pretty excited about it. And then it was like tech blue balls because I was getting really excited about it. And then they dropped that price, $2,000. The whole room groaned at that price. And laughed. Yeah.
It was a very like a waving like oh like it resonated through that theater. That says everything.
I think it's really cool, but did you hear everyone in the audience, like the sound that they made when they counted the price?
That's not the first time that this has been brought up on this video.
Insane.
$2,000.
I actually think it's really, really cool.
Yeah.
And you know what, like, I don't actually think like many consumers are going to be buying it, so the price tag of $2,000 doesn't like bother me that much.
I think they're probably going to sell about 2,000 of them.
Yeah.
One of the biggest things with the foldable things is the software is always weird, right?
Yeah.
On the ones that they've announced or other companies have announced. This one seems to do it okay.
Seems really good. 3-app multitasking.
Yeah.
All that stuff.
I'm super excited about it. What did they call it? App continuity? Is that what it was called?
Yes, app continuity.
I like that a lot.
It looks good.
It makes perfect sense. I'm definitely going to be using that for all the media, like all the YouTube. Just imagine how much YouTube we're going to watch on this thing.
Yeah.
I still don't think anybody needs it. I would never pay $2,000 for it, but boy, do I want a review unit.
You could buy a computer that folds for $2,000. All computers fold like that. All
yeah, but
laptops.
this is the moment where I love my job.
Yeah.
Because I know we're going to get review units, and it's going to be like, fine, let's just prove if there is a use it scenario or not.
The Fold.
I love it.
Yeah, you do?
Price is what I expected. It's cheap.
Colonel Singala's gonna buy that for you?
Look, the whole country is going to be covered with foldables everywhere. This one, I'll buy you 2. One I give you banana color, that yellow. The other one will be jungle green. You can
Bulletproof
use it.
banana.
Exactly.
Bulletproof banana. I'm in.
All right, so we've gotten a lot of opinions here, and well, I mean, it seems like as far as the Samsung's new Galaxy Fold, it's gonna be a tough one. I don't know. I wanna know what you think about it though in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up, and if you're new around here, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos like this drop. Thanks again for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.